250 years ago, a bold idea changed the course of history. The belief that a nation could shape its own future became a story of people of resilience, innovation, and progress. Since then, generations of scientists, makers, engineers, and workers have carried that promise forward, powering the industries that move America every day. From the Industrial Revolution to today's advanced manufacturing, America has never stopped building, making, running. At Kodiak, we're proud to be part of that story, supporting our industries with solutions that keep everything moving safely and efficiently. Happy 4th of July from all of us at Kodiak. Kodiak, we keep you running.